Welcome to Alegria Lifestyle Residences located in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, along Villarica Road. So this is a main road going to Marilao exit, 20 minutes drive from here, and 2 minutes away from here is that way going to Muzon in San Jose del Monte. This is an exclusive community with commercial lots for sale. So today I'm gonna show you the competition for our commercial lot. Hey guys, this is Nicole and welcome to my channel. This is going to be an update for a commercial lot. You know guys, this is actually very rare. I don't have a lot of commercial lot for sale in the area of Bulacan. But when I do, they are really rare and they are like one of the biggest opportunities. Let me just zoom. Kasi nasa Alegria ako guys. Inakita niyo yung malaki na yan ah. That's the clubhouse of Alegria Lifestyle Residences located in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Itong sa pinaka-entrance niya guys, dito ay pupwesto yung commercial lot na ongoing na. So, ito na yun. Yung nakikita nyo na yan, that's already our commercial spaces. So, ang binibenta mo dito commercial lot, ikaw yung magpapatayo kung anong business yung gusto mo, di ba? Ayun siya guys, so. Tapos may mga kasama na siyang parking spot, parking space. So, itong update na to guys, kung ikaw ay investor, di ba? Business-minded, ito po yung katabi, nasa harap mismo siya. Tapos yung community na yan, ayan, it's an exclusive subdivision. Ang mga bahay na hawak ko dyan, nasa 15 million pataas na po yan. May pre-selling, may ready for occupancy. So, yan po yung mga market natin dito. And at the same time, itong lugar na to, ang market nyo dito, meron tayo ditong subdivision na mid-range. Tapos, meron din ditong malapit lang siya sa Golden Hills, Dolmarland yun. Tapos, yung Amaresa, malapit lang siya dito. And then also yung Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Pure Gold, Loma de Gato. So yun yung mga market natin dito guys. Yung mga market natin dito mga may kaya. Okay? So ito po, pwede po tayong magtayo ng desired business natin dito. Bibili tayo ng commercial lot. Pwede rin siyang installment. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Magpapakita ako ng tatlong commercial lot. Okay? So, unahin natin to, yung pinakamaliit na nakikita ko sa inventory ngayon, ayan po yung kanyang sample competition commercial lot. Magbibigay na ako pareho bank tsaka in-house option na. So, dito guys sa bank financing, in-house financing, pwedeng-pwede. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa screen yung details nung sukat ng lote na yan na available, yung most affordable. And then, yung second naman na sa size nung lot area, commercial lot, ayan, pinapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang details, bank and in-house financing din. Ayan guys ha, complete yung binibigay kong details sa inyo ha. All you need to do talaga is contact me directly kasi strictly no walk-ins, okay? Bawal po tayo mag-walk-in dito. Kailangan po kontakin nyo ako, especially pag commercial space, di ba? Mag-schedule tayo ng meet-up natin. Dito na mismo din sa site meet-up tayo. At least 1 to 2 days before pag magpapaschedule po kayo sa akin guys. Strictly no walk-ins. And also at the same time, yung pinakamalaking lot area na available, papakita ko na rin yung bank and in-house niya na nakikita ko ngayon sa inventory. Ayan guys, binigyan ko kayo ng 3 options. So all you need to do is to contact me directly para kung halimbawang meron kang proposal na halimbawa gusto mo ganitong percentage yung ibabayad mo, gusto mo ang in-house or bank, ganyan, we can talk about it, we can discuss about it, diba guys? Syempre commercial yan. So if you have any other questions, all you need to do is to really reach out to me directly. Yun lang guys, wala nang iba pa, okay? And of course, mas maganda na makita mo to in person, kaya magpa-schedule ka sa akin at least 1 to 2 days before ng viewing dito po sa area, okay guys? So I hope we are clear. And I hope you like my very quick update for today, guys. Napakaganda po. Meron po tayong plano dito this coming, kasi diba bare months na. So, ngayon, dahil magde-December, baka gamitin muna natin to dahil hindi pa naman yan tatayuan ngayon ng mga commercial spaces. Baka magkaroon muna tayo ng Bancheto effect dito or whatever. Ang ganda, guys. Alam nyo dito, guys, ito yung non-flooded part of of Marilao, Bulacan. Kasi boundary na po siya ng Muzon, San Jose del Monte. Like less than 1 minute, guys. Nasa Muzon, San Jose del Monte ka na. Kaya non-flooded area. So kita mo yun, no? Di ba? Oh, mataas, di ba? Mataas tayo dito, guys. Okay? So ayan po siya. Contact me directly, guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Nicole.